Namaste, all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today, we will discuss about neurological disorder and its clinical management. First of all, I will tell you what is a mutation. A mutation is a change in a DNA sequence. Mutation can result from the DNA copying mistakes made during cell division, exposure of ionizing radiation, exposure to chemicals called mutagens, or infection by the virus. This is called mutation. And neurological disorders pose a large burden on the worldwide health. The most recent estimation shows that the neurological disorder included in the global burden of the disease study Alzheimer and other dementias, Parkinson disease, multiple scenarios, and the headache disorders like migraine, tension type headache, and the medication overseas headache represented 3% of worldwide burden of these diseases. Although this is seemingly small overall percentage, dementia, migraines, and stroke ranges in the top of 50 causes of the disability adjacent to life years. So, there are such kind of neurological disorder which is like traumatic brain injury, strokes, and the Alzheimer disease and the Parkinson disease. Traumatic brain injury is a 1.4 million who sustain a TBI each year in the United States. 50,000 dies and 2 lakh 35,000 are hospitalized for this particular disease. And the types of traumatic brain injuries are concussions, contusions, diffuse axonal injuries, cop injuries, and symptoms are like in acute in confusion, visual disturbance, unconsciousness, and for long term is memory problem, sensory problem, and dementia. And the stroke for the strokes are disturb of the blood flow in the brain, like hemorrhage, ischemia. This kind of disease belongs to the brain strokes, and the dementia is deterioration of intellectual abilities due to the disease, like memory, judgment, concentration, usually personality change, emotional instability, and which is related to the Alzheimer disease and Parkinson disease. In Alzheimer disease, leading cause of the served dementia in the US, minus plus 1% of population, most over the 65 years old, uh, suffered from this particular disease. Risk of the developing in the heritable. This is the genetic factor involved in this particular disease. And now we will discuss about the Parkinson disease. Mentioned in the Ayurveda, the system of the medicine practices in India at early 7,000 years ago at the first Chinese medical test, Neijing, which appeared in 2,500 years ago, which is firstly identify this particular disease. And the symptoms are difficult initiating movement, shuffling joints, cowbill rigidity, tremor test, an advanced stage of may including psychiatric complication which is depression, hallucination, paranoia, cognitive declines. Incidents which is happen like onset usually appear after age of the 40 years but can begin at the any time including childhood in the term juvenile Parkinsonism. Affect 1% age 50 years and the over. 10% age 60 years and over may have undiagnosed early stage of the disease. At 1.5 times are more common in the man than in the woman. Subtype of this disease, which is primary, secondary, and familial. In primaries, unknown origin but not included by the obvious stimulus. In secondary, Parkinson disease, which is related to the drug, stroke, and trauma. In familial, it is related to the genetically linked. And so, this is all about the Parkinson disease. and the treatment is like we can take levodopa L-dopa therapy and the direct acting dopamine receptor and the experimental brain surgery. So these are the treatment of particular this Parkinson disease. Thank you.